global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Global Happenings Today YouTube channel. There seems to be a showdown that's about to go down in Southeast, where the Southeastern governors seem to have had it up to their neck, and they're saying enough is enough. We will take back our state, we will take back our region, and we'll make it function. Some few days back, a lot of citizens living, even to the point that some of the Southeasterners are actually crying and insisting that their livelihood every Monday is always at stake. And judging the fact that there seems to be no palliative coming from the government, especially the federal government and the state government, this is the only way source of living. And the government have made up their mind that they will get back the state. But to make matters interesting, Simon Ekpa is not having anything down. Is ready also for a showdown with them, though living in Finland. But before we go into the newspaper to find exactly what the federal or the state government state that made for Simon Ekpa to give a reply, and a very strong one at that, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see about notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, according to the news, Anambra, Enugu, Ebonyi, and Imo state government yesterday vowed not to yield to the antics of non-state actors disrupting governance in the Southeast geopolitical zone. Their reactions followed the threat by the factional leader of indigenous people of Biafra IPOB, Simon Ekpa, to impose a 2 weeks sit at home in the Southeast commencing from July 31st to August 14th. 2023. Simon Ekpa had on Tuesday declared the sit-at-home will take place in the following order: Monday, July 31st, 2023 to Friday, August 4th, 2023. There will be total lockdown in Biafra land. Saturday, August 5th, 2023 and Sunday, August 6th, 2023, all Biafra markets will open respectively. Monday, August 7th, 2023 to Friday, August 11th, 2023, there will be total lockdown in Biafra land. Saturday, August 12th, 2023 and Sunday, August 13th, 2023, which is the break, all Biafra market will open. Monday, August 14th, 2023 will be lockdown in Biafra land. We thereby call on all market leaders to strictly adhere to this new timetable and order and treat it with utmost seriousness. My God. Now, but responding yesterday, Anambra government said it will never yield to non-state actors, and that the state government, through the press secretary to Governor Chukwuma Soludo, Christian Abureme, said Ekpa was a fugitive who should be completely ignored. Abureme went further to say that Anambra State, under the leadership of Governor Chukwuma Charles Soludo, will never yield to a non-state actor on this illegal sit-at-home order. Simon Ekpa is a fugitive and Rambo Rosa who should be completely ignored by the citizens of Anambra and by extension the entire Southeast. The imposition of sit-at-home orders by unauthorized individuals or groups is a clear violation of the law, and Anambra State will never observe any sit-at-home order by anyone, especially Simon Ekpa. Our market, schools, businesses, and other social activities will remain open. Anambra State will never be a breeding ground for anarchy, fear, or lawlessness. And the Enugu State Governor now went further to say that, also reacting, an official of Enugu State Government who described Simon Ekpa as a villain, a criminal, said nobody will obey him in the state, insisting that the illegal sit-at-home has ended in Enugu. The official, who did not want his name in print as he was not one of the spokesmen, however, warned any of Ekpa's criminal foot soldiers who might want to test the government to have a rethink, as they may not live to tell the story. I quote him word for word. They said, we have ended the illegal sit-at-home here in Enugu. That criminal should look for something else to do. He is not working in the interest of MNK or IPOB. IPOB has denied him several times. Please, people should call him what he is: a criminal, a terrorist. He should not be linked with IPOB. He is just a criminal. Security operative would teach any of his so-called or co-criminal who may want to test the will of the government. They have been warned, he said. And of course, in Ebonyi State, in his reaction, Governor Francis Nwefuru of Ebonyi State declared that there is nothing like sit-at-home in his own state. The governor of Ebonyi State stated this while fielding questions from journalists shortly after participating in a meeting of Ohanes Ndibo with governors, House of Assembly members, speakers, National Assembly members, and other leaders from the Southeast Zone at Imo State Governor's Lodge, Osokoro, Abuja. Governor Onwoforo said that what played out a week ago in Ebonyi State was a case of miscreants who attempted to put fear in residents and disrupt business. I'm surprised to hear sit at home from you because there's nothing like that. Sit at home in Ebonyi. We never for one day observed sit at home, and I know you're aware. Some people only wanted to know if they can start putting tension on people, and we said no. They don't have such powers. They can't do that, and it didn't happen. The police in Ebonyi State is yet to make an official statement regarding the declaration of sit at home by some led fraction of IPOB. Well, in all of this, also yesterday, the former national chairman of the People's Democratic Party, that's Dr. Okwesileze Nwodo, called on the governors of the South East region to ensure that the people are not overpowered by miscreants enforcing sit at home. Dr. Nwodo, who was former governor of Enugu State, said that Ekpa, who continued to declare sit at home in South East, is endangering the lives and properties of the people of the region, adding that there are other ways of putting pressure on the federal government other than this frequent stuff he keeps making. They now asked a simple question. So look, does Simon Ekpa know that some people in Southeast Nigeria are in hospitals, that medical personnel need to attend to their health needs? He's strangulating our economy by declaring frequency at home orders. I always say that there are other ways to put pressure on the federal government to obey court orders and release MNK. The governor of Enugu State, Peter Mba, and President Governor of Ohanes Ndibo, that's Emmanuel Wanyanwu, the governor of Anambra State, Prof. Chukwuma Soludo, and stakeholders from Southeast continue to appeal to the conscience of the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Bola Tinubu, to release MNK so that peace can return in Southeast. There are other ways that do not constitute a danger to the lives and economy of residents and people of Southeast than what Ekpa is doing. Can he declare sit at home in any part of Finland where he's currently residing? We must equally put pressure on governors of Southeast and the security agencies to guarantee security of lives and properties of the residents of Southeast region. We must also cooperate with our governors in ensuring that the few miscreants who enforce the sit at home orders are defeated. Meanwhile, the Imo State Police Commander said yesterday disclosed that the officers of the command are now on top of the situation to tackle continuation of this order, led by, of course, Simon Ekpa. To make matters interesting, the Command State Police Public Relations Officer PPRO Henry Okoye stated this in news to newsmen in Owerri. Starting from last week, the state witnessed killings, invasion of local markets, and burning of buses, motorcycles by suspected enforcers of sit at home. But according to the police, it is pertinent to the state that Imo Police Command is aware of the videos that surfaced last weekend on various social media platforms where unrepentant and subversive criminal syndicates suspected to be these guys and its armed affiliate Eastern Security Network ESN. They were seen doing all manner of things, attacking residents in Irite, Amako here, and the sole aim of creating apprehension amongst populace and enforcing them to obey the unlawful imposed sit at home ordered by ESN disgruntled element and who are hell-bent on disturbing the socio-economic activities of the masses and bringing untold hardship to the good people of this state. Now, they also went further to say that the various stakeholders of Imo State are encouraged to talk to their subjects, as Imo Police Command will not hesitate to deal ruthlessly with any subversive criminal syndicate or individual caught enforcing this issue. And of course, Simon Ekpa have decided also to send his own warning, and this time around is as if Nigerians or Southeasterners should get ready for the showdown. In reaction to what they have said, Simon Ekpa have told the governors from South, they said, let the governors know that any attempt on me, I will declare war against them, from their village to their various government houses. You can't threaten me or attack me and go scot-free. This is coming from Simon Ekpa. Let's go wrap it up. Let's